101 FM ewa Asante Mantan Kropon Kumasi manu achi nkranza ne tachima ne mpotamu eha ye Sompa 90.7 wokwa half na fe so bono ne mpotamu aha ye Sompa 98.9 21st clinic anopo obo ye chidom sanso na 5G ani music adawroma na nakwabna kese na fe
wayini ni ama krancha da zo asof mami premeni asante mai agime atumu ama mi di foforo oba pa amesa ye frasie ne de kase bonu mu amane de abremu a abedwakuo ya wonum na ehwa abatontoto ye nsem ewo eni pipia manyokuo mu kasamafo no nyamfo Alexander Afenyomakins wo ye futu mrase bedwani enra meeting a wonum ko ye wo matran kase butani senko kwa akoto aba de friend se balloting ne ehunu se aba wo mo beto no we ne bedikan we ne beto so mienu we ne beto so miensande akosa no wantumi anwie enunti woni nsentwerofo etwetwe ehun nkomo se meeting no bibia ko mu se totin yewra eye Canada compare ko Japan Dr. Uswafiri Yakoto wonu nyina dana wonu ejina mu pa na abedwaku a wore abatontoto ya nsam so no de ne wodi ani mu ne Dr. Sribo Kweku wonu so ekobi na no ena papa Alexander Afenyomakins de aba betu dwa wo kyerem se wonu hyiai enkomobo bi wo wonu adi ne wonu so de to wonu ani wonu asom ne so watu da no ede ahye na sesedie wo sha papa alai cash ya free mu ne de na kyese wonu a wonu Dr. Laji Mamadu Bawumi abesi akan eye owura Canada Japan Dr. Free Yakoto any wonu ma eka ho said Alexander Afenyomakins wonu central for kasaye no enie.
We have agreed to proceed with the guidelines, and like I said, when we are done, we would again serve you notice of the guidelines, and soon thereafter we proceed with the balloting. Maybe at the risk of being repetitive, we have met them, as I said, we've listened to them, we've heard them. We shall come out with our reports, and the engagement was fruitful.
Wo wie ye no wasan kasa se papa la kwadwo kire mate krata ya wode aba se woni pa ya adwuma no wobra wono ana ekanti akansie no wonsi bie wu no so wo mo saka
T will issue its full report, and on this make the report known to the public after due consultation with stakeholders in the party. We have also received the withdrawal letter officially by Honorable Shamanti, and the party has accepted the withdrawal without prejudice.
When you now so party at Trankasi and Krasalam down, way on Monyamfo Alexander Afenyomakins.
na wamana nso ho ne fa ba bi so sade to dwatre se nyame ya doma 2024 no omo pese omo break 8 ne dia enka bom ko a na betimi aboa
electoral commission issue ya ja to me there and sama when na yebobo hu ebo nya de yes ba she then you na yes boto November 4th abato bio some kwani blindi about the men some as the electoral affairs body and other elections committee yet one on the original report about to play on you opinion and Joka walk to a
Yewra Afenyomakins ana yetene nkan
Mampeni Dada His Excellency John Dramani Mama enodi assembly ato abato commission no anim wose en change hye abato commission no aye so bebi abato nwumamu no ese wo mububum na eba form kra e ma bebi a obi tie nso entumi nsi ne nkwan se wontumi nso entro ne die wodi assembly to dwa wo bra na wo Facebook live endra na woni ewiase no my Ghana nyina so edi enkomo wose kabi mami kabi ya ye abato commission no so kan hu bi eno mo nyina betumi aboa ne tumi so ahye mo kana enu nti na ese wo fa sa kwampa no so a obi nkoka se ase bibi nti isu obi kwan amana ntumi antwuro ni din wo bra wo ntumi so ento aba afa wo se adwumayefo a wo abato komisa wa wo na eba ba ye adwuma ni atwuro din no ese ye de obi emfoni ene obi ye din so tumi pie montre so na obi ye ni tuamu sa asem we no eyade a party dwemtre ni de ma ni di samanyoko wura Johnson se dun katia atwuro won krata de akwa abato komisa so onye san hye no fa nwa kwam mampani da His Excellency John Dramani Mama wono so kasai e de fa ho sa epepepe na wo wie ye e na wo kosoada achechemu se eyade e be ma fanfan ye etumi aba kwan ya ye be fa so ne ye be twiro edin no ne yakwa yanim 2024 abato kese a ye wo so na tumi amagana ni bia ekwan na wato aba.
I come before you as the flag bearer of the National Democratic Congress to advocate for a cause, an upcoming exercise that goes to the heart of our democracy. The limited voter registration exercise will give the opportunity to those who have become eligible to vote to place their names on the voters register. It will also allow for those placing lost voters' ID cards an opportunity to transfer your vote from where you currently have it to a new polling station. In a nutshell, I'm here to encourage you, wherever you are in Ghana or beyond, that if you do not have a voter ID card, especially if you've just turned 18, please take advantage of this exercise, which starts on September the 12th, 2023. Start making the necessary arrangements to register and get your voter's ID card. My brothers and sisters, our young people, fellow countrymen and women, it is no secret that Ghana, our beloved country, is currently grappling with a severe economic crisis. More than ever before, the lives of our people today are defined by a daily struggle to eke out a living. We're seeing our daily cost of living skyrocket, and job opportunities are becoming more difficult by the day. Our people, the youth, the elderly, drivers, market women, civil servants, security personnel, teachers, journalists, nurses, and doctors are all experiencing a sense of hopelessness on a scale never witnessed in recent memory. This dire situation calls for urgent action, and the most powerful tool at our disposal is our right to vote. President Akufo-Addo and his administration have failed to address the pressing economic challenges they have exerted on the people of our country, misapplying our precious, scarce resources and overspending on their creature comforts and largesse instead of building the critical infrastructure this country needs for job creation and development. Their promises during their campaigns have not been fulfilled, leaving the ordinary Ghanaian burdened with the consequences of their incompetence, cluelessness, and shameless arrogance.
Mampani da Yura John, Dramani Mama, and Walker, and Wichira Sabre Ghana for, and my four, and Crankore, young and I name Musa Bay, and to mean to 2 years, Sam, that Sujana Baby Gina, salvation for buying.
You're Justin, the Kobe from Ponder for Panidima, NPP, Amonyo Kununa, party no the Krata. Aba Monte so de Ghana yes empasua ahodo no wo hweda wa yimpanifo betimi abo party ne so de hu na feso ne ntote e wo NPP amanyoku no edimu na sei ana enhyehyeye no esi etie wo kire se NPP party no article 7 of omo party no e wo enhyehyeye ya ede eye adwuma ko base bia ekoto aba e wo empasua no so na ye yimpanifo behwe abo party ne dwumadi a na ebre wo kosia no wo fa adwen to ato adwen no sei na wasi adwen po se betimi akoso wo se vetting of parliamentary aspirant no beba so nyame ya doma Friday September 8th 2023 ya na mo ahye so venue no all regional party office ebiemu nso extraordinary constituency delegate conference on Sunday 10th September 2023 venue no so constituency level ya na mo ahye so na constituencies no ebi Swaman and North Dai na Dolio Kalio and afen Sagnalego ene Kumbugu we krata aba amonte so a JF Kenen Sasha se ya ono trotro for penny edema NPP amanyoku no
Yetua Kasia Bono eso Christian Community Africa and a dear Futuria call a diama bibin mine a Wuranuma a dear nimu says Apresika ye bodin some America dollars were pay or had you num 150 billion Yade Baba Boa I may we madam Daniel climate change yet to me the abo Numa be mine your money and none what to me and ye and one knock on the Yeti Papa one more Bajano Yanfanya the assessor woman the Ebe European Union President Ursula von der Leyen and a dear me at the Etsuja, ya with the boom. Near Sasem Kroya African Development Bank and so at the $25 billion. And so at the Bebois said, you may dear noir. Next we are say, be mine. Ya there's better as the canning another quad and cheat. Jumedian was here, Doctor, a year, Reverend Lesmore. Now, no so a hobby, say, be mine, penny for the car, Giano, and you say, you didn't come to whom, net as a dear, ye dear papa. Na tumi aboa am yetimi anyemu fa so twitwidie yade kodua wo HIV ya fufuo madedia ene ensamawati ba crosses nom ya edo koro ye ni nyina ya de ebetumi so ede ya hu bibi enu nti na se ho akwakonya se etumi ya adwuma wo cheche mu a wakasa no se wo ya bibi man no a sabire no ewura nom kwasikoko wo mse Democratic Republic of Congo, Burundi, Rwanda, Tanzania ene 1 billion I know euro sunum 1.1 billion American dollars ni nyina kwan a wono modo enam so na wode eba beboa ebibi man nunti yanyare ye na sika ne yemfanya de sese ye nhyiamudie ekoso ewo Egypt ekoso ya wo hwe kwan se November afie twam no last year wokohia ye wo Egypt na wo si se gina ye kuro ya wo san de ababetoja asemi de obomu amane kase pa edema yen European Union President ye mame Ursula von der Leyen.
We as people of faith that are often the first respondents in crisis situations, including the ones that are caused by climate change, are wrestling with the question whether there is honesty and truthfulness in the entire process of negotiation. We are worried that the sweet part of the declaration, which is the call to action, will be subsumed by exigencies of time and many other aspects. Your Excellencies, as people of faith, we continue to pray and act rightly for the common good of all, while calling for greater transparency in climate finance management. It is greatly going to be beneficial if a mechanism like what was used during the Global Fund to combat HIV, malaria, and TB, the country coordinating mechanism is very important, and if we can institute that, all the stakeholders within a country will find space in climate financing that will lead to greater adaptation and resilience for our people.
Papa Ursula von der Leyen ena na wakasa wie mwadani adenti we said yensasini bia papa ya totom pampa no a ene ye pampansre de pa.
Ora Johnson na sedun kanta na edwom tane edema ND Samuel Kro na no adanse mu dia koso ma wode atudwa kyeresa nyame ya tomo a 2024 no dia na woso mudi nkonim nti omu frase abrunso ntem na omani akoye ko wate abedwakro bia ne nyina no eya de obepia party ne hye na ni so ade hu akọ animu na 2024 no watimi adi nkonim.
We know there are shortcomings in this composition, but we are appealing to our party rank and file that this is a call to duty. It is not an honor. It is a call to duty. So if we have tasked some of you to undertake that duty, wherever you are, in whatever corner, you can find a way of helping to achieve the same purpose, whether you are named and sworn in today or not. So I wish you well, and I thank you for accepting the challenge to serve the NDC and Mother Ghana. You are welcome. And before I sit down, let us all get up and observe a minute of silence for a wonderful woman who would have been with us today, but God has wished otherwise. Everybody.
Era Johnson a sedun Katiana Jam Tene Edema and this Samuel Kuna Wiano, Ninia Yawano Yatro for Fifi Fiave Cotti, one also in some way a Jansam Trophy Quine.
We have tried very hard to keep to take into account the need for a regional balance in everything we do, and as much as possible, not just the regional balance, but other balances as well. It's not always very easy to get it done, but it's we will keep working to try to improve. And these are not the final ones as well. We have committees that are going to come, and in the appointment of those committees, we will try to perfect in terms of the balances. So where it is that we have not been able to get everything right, we will try to use some of those committees to try and bring a greater balance as much as possible. Because that's who we are. Our party is the umbrella. And that umbrella stands for the bringing together of different movements, different forces, all into one, with a view of seeing far into the future for the sake of our country. So we, as much as possible, try to be very harmonious, bringing together, letting all the different segments of our society be properly represented, and we'll continue working towards perfecting that, because that is who we are. That's why this party is supposed to be the party that leads, the only party that has a bed on top of its.
Fifi Fiave Cotti, one day to for penny, and this Samuel Kun.
Arisia wadi joke tia jakasiem nyina dati kojai edi aboyensa asemben ni nyina dane se wo so hwe wo mpanifo edi anim enkane a wonsem a wo ntumi enka na jakase atise nipa mpempem akoma ne di dwa wo mu na so mita ba ko pen wo mo de ye adwuma no e ya de ha dwen fiti e na no e ya brada en wo nyina ati kojai de boye tire ya wo mu kire mu se wo mo hwe mpanifo anim a September bosom ni de to so du ba ko beba na bibi pebin finance retema ya wo be ye kire chenchirenchi dear one is and for Kasama Equi a ribbon ame one a church for the Federation of Kumasi Traders. Now I say a very PURC September a review no buy and one maybe at the Kamba was it me dear buy na Bobu Bobu Bakubia was to Tomua Titisicanum 6.4 and a Wuchia July. Womu peje munu babu bako titisicanim 7.760 ene kuchia na te kwasu se enua na nipa kwa kodidwa faswo ben nyeka ene wode beba wosi ade chi biada nipa mako besa enua na sa amiensa ene yetototo wom so to demu ewo ketie dwa kasem so omuntumi ntua wom nkane abo ni nyina de ne soa ede aba begu wonum eso enunti empanifo mem na de a wom kora ye twa wonum awo ene asoya ya Nkronketwa and in Punto onsem so Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development. Say manager tomu wama yenhwehwemu and your report to abeto manim so say besi ne e de ne wo report no mu wo monsankan.
Yeti abo danger wa say ni say ye de tata company say senkan be and 9 bi o wa ditu mi ensem de ye be so boye mu omanya nwetuma shimle we ko sa bi ko si na o twe bi si yesu be fa ye mo ati ye di kan ye kan ya say ya ya hu say kan ya say ma wa say ya kama de bia ya kan wa say komo ko na edi fa wa ejuma poti also mo ye le obi adi nya ni mita ojo ma say asem penfo ntu so anamo no e me say anamo ni etu akwa kusi de bia enkomodie de e kan say se me bia du ye mpem komodie bi ye hia ni say meters ne de ba be bo and I start ebo meters ni so okay afedi etu anamo
sabre de wo mo se ba bi o madu na tokrodo ti penifo mrem
Dr. Kofi Nsia Poku na yepa nimpa de ma Deck Vaccine Limited na wode atodwa branch mu de course so etese Ghana se said de nyame yadom ama ne adwuma ko be ka bom aboa aye nduru a ebetimi aboa ma kolele yare no yatimi etu asane nsam wode man sam twelefoni.
What we are going to do is we are bringing finished oral vaccine from Korea to Ghana from now until the end of 2024. So 2025, we will have made in Ghana oral cholera vaccine produced by DEK. I'm sure by that time, we will have malaria vaccines. All these 6 vaccines, they will all be done, made in Ghana at DEK in 2025.
we a Dr. Kofi Insia Opoko na Padma Deck Vassal Limited and Samoa, what the man some drop for Enono.
Cassian was see Santiago Benedict, Samu for Penny, Kukwa Veronica, Fedia Jandra, Kusumo Elizabeth, Calvin, and Yabusia for Buano, Paya, Yedeka Sebo Mudao say, Ebremo, yes, sorry, Sudia Yera, Amaya would do what Chebeko Swata, so the idea Piajo Medino, Abramo, Wainini, Ama Cranchadas of Mammy Primeni. Nana, Quabra Kesana, you can for the Amawasano Pemis, so ya we be Jawa, baby, a Wubiano, and ya, and my ring for Sawood and Mitchell, our 21st clinic, Miss Row, Sawood and Mitchell, our 21st clinic. Yargana tete wacha busa santring na woba bema kwada brante babawa wo bia edimirika ekwaje na pomudre papa e wo 21st clinic visa 21st clinic ba ye no wa me hu se dede pa na nkofo bi ye digu yasomu tuatu amanfo aso gi ehu sika gina edi na siatica no de openi pa obeti masa edi amawa na eye 21st clinic me pa chawo anopa hini fa na wo mantam dun sere nyina na yenkora batan ya to apete ba bia enkoraza tachiman enkran sanso so na go so ba bia ina so ye ho ya ye adwuma frɛ number na good tv na so ne sesia na ba bia eben won ye nkyere wo ne bra me pa se bia utie radio dia na je number no 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 anopa u kodwom u ko school u ko afuom ehine fa na wo ko taxi driver trotro drivers no ne ade mesra ma police fo nyina soja fo mu nyina mo nyibi eye mizo ehu asam na me kan de amawi mesra bag na ebo soja fo ne police fo na chi no mo nyi bebere mfansem nti mo hye bush ho a mo ye operation yes come over nyina no na mo bo mizo ene 5G ni bi fa number na good tv na asem na ye mra obi sese a Dr. Silas Beje wo so na mpanifo na bra obi sese 0246 270-221 0246-270-221 that's how much
Tua ebe so onipa yenim na wia no yenso kane ahwene ni manaju okay emerima wonim amuzu herbal clinic no woyemre won pamu a na